welcome back. Good morning. It's Saturday, and yesterday we did the open box on the Churchill, and today I'm going to finish putting some parts on the Centurion. And there's a bunch here. I'm just gonna, do a probably a time lapse, and that way you're not bored watching me clip and clean parts, but it'll go quickly. It'll be a short video. As I'm monkeying around with this, I'm noticing there's a couple of parts here, like A14 for instance, that's not shown anywhere on the instructions. So I don't know. I'm going to have to look around and see just through images where those might go, but they're not indicated here. We got most of this together. And some of them I didn't glue because of the future painting that I'm going to do. For instance, the tracks here. This bracket is still loose. I did not mount any of the machine gun parts. I'm actually missing a part that I have to locate. I think the carpet monster got a hold of it. This cable reel I left loose. I'm pretty sure that's what that is a cable reel. I went ahead and put one of my resin jerry cans in here, and these tracks are also, loosely mounted, so they will fit in this bracket. Oop, like that. Did have to do some trimming on the inside where this mounts in order to get that on there, but then afterwards I did have to glue that. Now I use CA glue for a lot of this stuff. On the back side, you guys want to be careful here. This is 4 pieces, and when you assemble this, you want to do it in such a way that these are loose, because when we add the cables later, those will get inserted in here. They will rest, excuse me with the camera work. The cable will rest on here and work its way around all the way over here, and then finally set up. The shovels, all the tools and stuff I left loose, so I can paint them separately. I just wanted to set them on here so you can see them. You have 2 shovels, 2 pickaxes. Interesting that they doubled up the tools. But the back is a little bit, just like the other one, is a little more complicated, okay? We do have tow hooks and things down here. All these parts are very loose fitting. You're going to have to use the thicker CA glue to get them to stick. The thin stuff doesn't work very well for that. Same thing with these 2 pieces. All right, use the thicker. Here's what I used right here. Matter of fact, this MaxiCure extra thick. Good stuff. Just stick it in your little candle deal and get what you need with a toothpick. Other than that, that's all the parts for that one. These hub centers are super loose fitting, so you're going to have to glue that into place. And, unless you're a guy that runs the crap out of your stuff, then you're going to want to adhere this with something different that you can get it removed easily. Again, more tow hook, tow cable locations to mount. I did have to modify the smoke discharge brackets. This side was fine, but this one needed modification to fit the angle on the hood, and I kind of covered down on that on an earlier video. So this is still badass. I don't care what anybody says. It is cool, but pretty much assembled and ready for a paint job. We'll get the tracks removed on this one and get them painted separately, then reinstall them. But just wanted you guys to see it together with the majority of the parts. All right. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's short, you know, time-lapsed, getting it all together. But this one's been sitting on the bench for a while, and I figured, well, I may as well get the rest of it on there. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. It was fun, you know. Get your RC tank on. Get your nostalgia on. And speaking of nostalgia, you know, a lot of guys are giving me feedback. They're really loving to see the old stuff. So I have 2 kits that I'm going to show you guys on a later video, which coincides with the 1/25th scale Tiger tank, but it's not a tank model. It's something else that I dove into back in the day when I was young, and it is also a Tamiya brand product. So stay tuned for that one. I think some of you guys might enjoy it. It's a completely different departure from what we're doing here. So, all right, look, have a good day. Get out there and spend your money. Go buy something, build something, paint something, put a part on something. Or just tinker or watch model videos, you know. Like and subscribe, folks. Like and subscribe. I think it's in this direction. Love you. See ya. Yeah.